Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email outreach for buyers with Mailshake. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailshake account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab located in the main menu. Select Create Campaign to start a new outreach project. Enter a name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Choose your desired email template from the available options. Customize the template to fit your specific outreach needs. Make sure to personalize the email with recipient names and other relevant details. Next, add your target contacts. You can import contacts from a CSV file or add them manually. Once your contacts are uploaded, review them for accuracy. Now, set up your sending schedule. Decide how often you want the emails to be sent. You can choose to send them immediately or schedule them for later. After scheduling, configure follow-up sequences if necessary. This helps you stay engaged with your recipients. Adjust the settings for tracking and link monitoring as needed. Double-check all your campaign settings before proceeding. When you're ready, click on Launch Campaign. Monitor the campaign performance through the Analytics dashboard. Review the open rates, click rates, and responses regularly. Make adjustments to your outreach strategy based on the results. Consider refining your email content for better engagement. Reach out to your audience more effectively by analyzing their responses. Stay consistent with your outreach efforts for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.